So if you are a new subscriber, I welcome you especially to this channel. If you're a returning subscriber, no, Iman Kaisienya. So today I'm going to teach you a song, a Father's Day song for young kids. For kids, then the second one, I will sing the first one for kids. Just allow your kids to learn it because they are still growing. Then the second one is for adults, for grown-up. If you want to sing to your father, to appreciate your father, you can sing that. Let's go, the first one. Gịnị ka m ga-emere nna m ọma, nna nata ahụhụ azụ m, Chukwu biko gọziere m nna m, ezigbo nna m. The second one. Gịnị ka m ga-emere nna m ọma, nna tara ahụhụ wee zụọ m, Chukwu biko gọziere m nna m, ezigbo nna m. So just teach your kids, learn it yourself, sing to your father if you still have your father there, because they are trying, they try. So the first one, the difference between the first and the second is that the first one is still ongoing. The natahoho azum is still ongoing, while the second one, they are finished training you. Tara ahoho wezwam suffered to train me. So choose whichever group you belong to and learn accordingly. I will see you in my next one. Kemesia.